Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Geo Dudes. I'm Mark, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of historical maps. We'll explore Ptolemy's world map and other amazing maps that shaped our understanding of the world. Let's start with Ptolemy's world map. Created in the 2nd century AD, this map was created on the work of the Greco-Roman geographer Ptolemy. It represented the known world of the time, including Europe, Asia, and Africa. Ptolemy's map used a grid system used to project the spherical Earth onto a flat surface, and it remained the standard in cartography for centuries. This map is not only significant for its historical context, but also for its influence on later map makers. Next up is the Tabula Rogeriana, created in 1154 by the Moroccan cartographer Al-Idrisi for King Roger II of Sicily. This detailed map of the Mediterranean region and parts of Europe, Asia, and Africa demonstrated the remarkable accuracy and detail achievable in the 12th century. The Tabula Rogeriana was a major source of geographic information during the Middle Ages and influenced later European cartography. Now let's take a look at Waldseemuller's Universalis Cosmographia, the spelling of which you'll see on the screen, from 1507. This groundbreaking map is the first to use the name America and includes the first known depiction of the Americas as separate from Asia. Created from the German cartographer Martin insert name here, the map synthesized information from various sources, including the voyages from Christopher Columbus and Amerigo Vespucci. Gerardus Mercator's 1569 world map introduced the Mercator projection, which became a standard for nautical navigation. In fact, many maps used nowadays are even using the Mercator projector, but a more so modern version. This map features a cylindrical projection with parallels and meridians as straight lines, making it easier for sailors to plot their course. While the Mercator projection distorts the size of land masses near the poles, it remains an essential tool in cartography and navigation. Finally, let's explore Cassini's map of France. Created by the French cartographer and geodetic surveyor César-François Cassini de Thoury in the late 17th to mid-18th century, this highly accurate topographic map was a major achievement in the history of cartography. Cassini's map was based on a rigorous geodetic survey and set a new level of map accuracy and detail. As we've seen, historical maps can reveal a lot about how people understood and represented the world in different eras. If you would like us to review any other maps in the future, put it in the comment section below. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through the history of cartography. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more map-related content. And don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Reddit for even more map exploration. See you next time on the Geo Dudes. Happy mapping!